Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the tuples, right? So previously we had discussed on the tuples. Today we'll be discussing on the topic tokens, right? So let's get into the definition part here. Tokens are the smallest units in Python code. Tokens are the smallest units in the Python code. Whether it can be keywords, it can be identifiers as well, it can be literals, it can be operators, and it can be delimiters as well, right? Simple. Again, tokens are the smallest units in Python code. It can be keywords, it can be identifiers, literals, operators, and delimiters. So just keep this in mind, right? So let me explain you. Let's get into the example part. Before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. So each line of the code is broken into tokens, right? So in the Python, each line of code is broken into the tokens by the interpreter for parsing and execution. This part is very important. Just keep this in mind, right? So let me write this one. This is actually very important. So just give me a second here. So again, each line of the code is broken into the tokens by the interpreter for parsing and execution. This part is very important. Just keep this in mind. Tokens are nothing but the smallest units in the Python code. It can be keywords, it can be identifiers, it can be literals, operators, and delimiters. Each line of the code is broken into tokens by the interpreter for parsing and execution. Just keep this in mind, right? So now let's go with a very simple code here. Let's go with a very simple example. Sorry, let me assign x to 5, right? So let me print here x plus 2, nothing but the 5 plus 2 here, right? So here what we are doing, x is nothing but the identifier token, this one, this x, whatever variable we are giving here, this is nothing but the identifier token, equals whatever I have given on the line number 4, x equals 5. So this equals, basically it is an operator token, and 5 is nothing but an literal token. 5 is nothing but the literal token, right? So what is the print then? Let's come to the next line. What is print here? Print is nothing but the keyword token. Print is nothing but the keyword token. And finally, we are making use of plus. X we have already discussed this one, right? X is nothing but the identifier token. Plus, plus is nothing but the arithmetic arithmetic operator token. Arithmetic operator token, right? So this is about the token. So the output that we need to get here is 5. X will be 5. 5 plus 2, nothing but the 7, right? So we need to get the output 7. So let me run here Python followed by, let me copy this one and let me paste it over here dot py. So we are getting the output 7, which is absolutely correct, right? So we are getting the output 7, which is absolutely correct. So basically this adds the literal 2 to the identifier x. This adds the literal 2 to the identifier x, right? So this is it for the tokens part. So this is it for the tokens part, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned till now. Let me summarize whatever we have learned till now. So tokens are the building blocks of Python code. Tokens are the building blocks of Python code. It forms the syntax and the semantics. It forms the syntax and semantics. Just keep this in mind, right? So what error we are getting here? Unnecessary semicolon. Semicolon. Oh, this one. Let me remove the semicolon now. Yeah. So this is fine. Uh, yeah. Now the error is gone, right? So this is fine. So now I hope the tokens part is completely clear. Again, let me summarize. Tokens are the building blocks of Python code, forming the syntax and semantics. So we are done with the tokens part. Next, we'll be discussing on the dictionaries. Next, we'll be discussing on the dictionaries. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.